All right, so all of you, good morning. So I hope you practiced the last session. Watch the video and try to practice it. Yes, Mohammed, tell me. Yesterday, you sent a message to me. I want to start with the STRT. Start is equal to 10, 10. Now, actually, A, B, C, D, for example, you see, if you can take this just number, type is equal to 1. Start means what? What is the output we can see? These values will come from 10, 11, 12, 13. Likewise, we want to start with the characters also, na? A, B, C, D, or else P, Q, R, S, T. This way, and we can achieve this. Go to this here, but yesterday I did a small mistake. Type is equal to A, but you have to write start is equal to 10. But yesterday I read it, start is equal to P, something I written. Actually, you have to write the digit only. Type equal to 10 means what is the 10th alphabet? A, B, J, na, K, na? I think J. I think now you see, you are going to get these values from J, K, L, M, N. What order you want? I don't want A, B, C, D. I don't want 1, 2, 3. I want to display these list items from the specific order. 10 to 12 only, or 10 to 15. Such a way, if you want display, now these are also going to become like this. Now, if you can take small I also, you see, and start value 10 means Roman letters 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14 will be like this. It will become like this. Of course, you take this is going to be, if I can take 100, what is the Roman letter for 100? 101. Generally, we know 1 to 10 Roman letters, but we don't know. You see, C 101. C means 100 in Roman. C means 100. 101, 102, 103, 104. It will become like this. From 40, I think the Roman letters will be changed. L. Some characters will be added, I believe. Okay, this is not our agenda, but yesterday I forget this the case, but I'm taking, if I can take small a, but I taken start is equal to p. This way I taken. This is wrong. You have to take the digit only here. You have to take the digit only. 10 means obviously you will get the value. I want to write 20. 20 means what? T, na? T is 20, right? T is 20. Now you're getting T, U, V, W, X, Y. If I can take 26, tell me please. This is Z. This is Z. Obviously 26 Z. What it is? A, na? A, B, A, C. Like this will you get? Okay. You see this carefully. What is going to be happen now here? A, B, A, C, A, D. The points you see, that way of presenting. That's why we have something called ordered list. Whatever the order you want, you can manipulate it. So you have, while you guys are practicing, play with this. You can take a value, you can take start value. If you're not taking anything, what's happening? I want to start with some specific numbers. How do I do this? You have to practice this such a way. Remember it carefully. Very important context, a very important sentence use. See, ultimate concept, what I told you yesterday, I need this. What is the tag for it? I need that. What is the tag for it? This way.
Sir, after that it becomes BA.
Sorry?
After
Like this. After that, you get A, B, AC, AD.
in numeric?
In numeric, it will come from 26. If you are not taking one thing, now it will become from 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. It will become like this.
Okay.
So this all you guys needs to practice. You have to check it. Observation. If you can, while doing practice, some people will write the code, check the output. They won't observe. Observation is very important. Write this. What is output? Write this way. What is output? This observation is very important. Right? Always by hoarding, avoid it. Those days gone. We are here to, we know that why we are here, right? So be careful. Okay, don't forget that why we are here. Okay, now let's move for another one. Okay, right. So let us create one more HTML file. Right. So I'm going to create one more HTML file today. Right. Let us go take this doc type HTML root element. Open close immediately. It's very important thing. Don't write line by line. Write the code always step by step in your notebook. Maybe while writing in your notebook, you have to write line by line only. But when you're practicing how I am writing the code, first I am writing HTML, open close. Immediately I am entering into this. Press one tab and write the head, body, like this you can go. So let us save this file, content. 1.html, content 1.html is a file. Take head section, open head section, close. Inside the head section, hit enter. Take one tab, press one tab. For sometimes you forget to press multiple tabs. How can I come back? Shift tab. If you want to come to the shift tab, yeah, you can come to the shift tab also. Press tab and a tab. So now you can write title tag open, title tag close. In the title, I'm writing HTML elements simply completed. Now come here now, body tag open, body tag close. And this is going to be something tag, and I'm writing HTML content elements. HTML content elements. Okay, these are the some content elements. Last session, we discussed some content elements. High tag, bold tag, italic tag, strong, mark. Some tags we discussed, and today also we are going to discuss some more tags. Okay, right. So now I want to take some sample content here. To take the sample content, can I write the para directly, or we need to take paragraph tag? So, okay, 1 minute, please. Let us go to the browser and copy some help text. Okay, let us go to HTML simply. You can go to Wikipedia, copy some information which is related to HTML. Yeah, you can copy some information from. Okay, guys, can you observe this web page also? You see, this is the first para. This is the first para. Observe this. In the first para, this is highlighting in bold. Here, some of them are highlighting in blue color. And moreover, you observe when I mouse over, underline is coming, a tooltip is coming. When this is all called what, we can call this a tooltip suggestion, that is called generally. So when you are mouse hovering, you are getting the tooltip. No? I mean, that is called interaction. When you are hovering the mouse on the element, this is displaying how this is done by using JavaScript. JavaScript will do this job. On hover, display this. You see, if you can hover anywhere, you are getting some suggestion. You can hover anywhere, you are getting some suggestion done by JavaScript. Okay, but don't worry. Let us copy this para. First para I'm copying. By just writing the thing, will it be second para, third para? Can I get 3 paras here? As I told you yesterday, no way. They cannot be 3 paras. Let me run this file. If you can run the file in the browser, now all they are in single para. But in the editor, you are able to understand this is the first para, this is the second para, but browser will understand? No, browser doesn't know. Browser, how that knows? If we can wrap this into one tag called p tag, so browser will understand, oh, this is the first para, this is the second para. This way the browser will understand. So come here now, p tag open and p tag close, and this is also same thing. Yeah, go there and close this also. And closing is very important. Don't forget this close. Okay. If you want to make subheading, main heading, already we see how do we make it, right? So here, something is going to be clickable. You see, some of them are clickable here. Some of them are clickable. How do we make this clickable? Nothing but by using not JavaScript. When you are hovering, pop-up is coming. That is done by JavaScript. First of all, I want to display look like a clickable, right? That is going to be links in HTML. That is called anchor tag. Side heading, anchor tag in HTML. Okay, you first refresh it. Are you getting 3 paras? Yeah, you are getting the first para, second para, third para. So how the browser knows this is the first para, second para? Because of adding paragraph tag. If there is no paragraph tag, browser cannot understand. It will display everything in one line only. So because of adding the para, your browser will understand, oh, we have displayed this as a first para, we have displayed this as a second para, to understand this. Okay, done. I'm done. So now next side heading, links in HTML, links, L-I-N-K-S, links in HTML. Write this, links in HTML or anchor tag. Anchor tag, we can say anyone. So anchor tag will be like this. By using anchor tag, write the point. By using anchor tag, we can navigate between the web pages. Write the point like this, between the web pages. What is the meaning of navigate between the web pages? Navigation. We can link external web pages also. Write this point also. By using anchor tag, we can link external web pages. We can link external web pages into our website. I will show you what is the meaning of it. Wait, don't worry. Let me show you. We can link external web pages into our web page. So anchor tag. See, the anchor tag will be like this. Anchor tag contain two important attributes, href. So this is going to be click here. Generally, in every website, we will see click here, submit here, click here to download. We will see this type of things. They are all links. The links are developed by using anchor tag only. Why not? See, I use the word called navigate between the web pages. What is the meaning of navigate between the web pages? Now you go to one website. Let me show you. Okay, I'm going to this website. What is the meaning of navigation? Right now you are in the home. If I click all courses, you are in the all courses page. But you are navigating from home page to all courses page. That is called navigation. You are going to course categories. You are going to interview questions. You are going to blog. You are going to contact us. From contact us again, I want to come back to home page. This is called navigation. This is called navigation between the web page. I want to navigate from one location to other location. Google Map. In a web page, how can I relocate from one page to another page? Anchor tag. Then without anchor tag, we cannot do anything. You go to Amazon, you go to Flipkart, lot of images are there now. On click the image, we will get the details of the product now. That is also anchor. Then without anchor tag, there is no navigation. Then we cannot get anything on there, right? Anchor tag is also important. This is the URL you have to provide here. Some URL, https://facebook.com, something if you want to provide, you can provide like this. Okay, this is a way of writing anchor tag. If you want to link anything in a web page, you have to use anchor tag. Link, if you are thinking that link, anchor tag. There is no other tag. Only tag is called anchor tag in HTML. This is a one only tag to link any page to anywhere. Okay, let me show you some examples so that you will also get a clarity. Come here now. Now I am coming here. All of you see here. In the above, I'm writing one H1 tag open close. H1 tag open close. I'm writing click here to visit Facebook. I'm writing like this. Facebook. Click here to visit Google. I'm writing like this. Click here to visit Google. Google. What is happening? Sorry. Google. Here is something is missing. Body tag, body. Close this properly. Now you see. Click here to visit Facebook. Click here to visit Google. Okay, let's go to the browser and refresh it. If I can refresh, we're getting two H1. Click here to visit Facebook. If I click, are you going to Facebook? No, this is H1 tag. On click H1 tag, can we go to Facebook? No. And if I click to visit Google, I'm clicking here. Are you going to Google? No. Remember, if you want to make it clickable or if you want to navigate from our page to Google page, Google is external. This is our contact one is our internal page. In this page, I want to load Google. I want to load Facebook. I want to link. I want to link Facebook. I want to link Google. How do I do? Remember, all this should be wrapped with the anchor tag. Wrapping into anchor tag. Otherwise, you write only anchor tag here. You see, A tag open, A tag close. I'm writing click here. Click here. Something. Google Finance, Finance, Finance. I'm just writing like this. Anchor tag I used it. Here H1 tag I used it. Watch it carefully. What's the output we are getting? This is Google Finance. I used anchor tag. But if I click, are you going anywhere? No, you are not going anywhere. If I click this, are you going anywhere? No. If you are using anchor tag, remember carefully, there should be href attribute. What is the attribute called? href. What is the meaning of href? href, hand reference. Hand symbol will be there now. You will get such a kind of symbol. Okay, 1 minute. I'm not getting the symbol correctly. Because of, see, without href, this is without href. After adding the href, see the difference. See, you are getting a line. Some color combination also, different color combination. When you are mouse keeping, can you see the symbol? Hand symbol, you are getting this symbol, hand symbol. href means hand reference. Hand reference, that's the meaning of it. And we are getting that symbol also. See, when you are mouse hovering, are you getting? No, you are getting cursor symbol, cursor. And you are getting hand symbol. But if I can click this, are you going to Google Finance? No, you are not going to Google Finance. Why? Because you have to set the path here. https://google.com. Okay, Google, sorry, write this google.com/finance finance. Now, if you can go to this, refresh the page, click on it. Are you going to Google Finance? Yes, you are going to Google Finance. Nothing. This is a stock market related page I linked it. Okay, same way, sir, this is H1 tag. I want to link the H1 tag. Sir, I have one big doubt. Sir, can you write H1 anchor tag like this, sir? Or inside H1, you want me to anchor tag? Inside H1, you have to write anchor tag. Don't write outside the anchor tag. Okay. Always link this here like this. See, inside H1, we can, this is called what? Nesting. We can nest one element into another element also. That is what HTML. Inside HTML, we are nesting head. Inside that, we are nesting body. Inside body, we are nesting H1 para. Like this, we can nest one into another, one into another, one into another. Like this, a number of times we can do. Anchor tag open here. Anchor tag needs to be closed here also. That is very important. First thing, tag should open, tag should close. Now you see, click here to visit Facebook. This is also clickable now. You see, earlier it is not clickable. See the thing, how we can link the web pages. Again, ahref is equal to, right? Right, this text I want to make it clickable, close the anchor tag there. Now you can see, click here to visit Google also. If you want to provide the link, https://google.com. Now here, facebook.com, https://. Of course, you can write simply fb.com also. We can write it to redirect to Facebook, no problem. FB or completely you want to write facebook.com, yes, you can write facebook.com also, no problem. Right. Save this file. Now you go and check this now. If I can click this, you are going to Facebook now. I'm going to Facebook. Go back. If you can click the visit Google, now you are going to visit Google. We are linking external pages. We can link internal pages also. In my website, I will create about.html. I will create contact.html. I will create some other .html. Yes, sir. We can link those pages also. Yesterday, you created a welcome.html. I think starting session, you created welcome.html. You see, you go there. I'm taking ahref is equal to simply, I'm writing this is going to be welcome. We can write same location. Welcome.html, you can write because they are in the same location. When they are in the same location, we don't want to mention anything here directly because we will write like this. Remember, both are in this file, content1.html, welcome.html, both are in the same location. We can link like this only. We don't want to provide a full path like this. Doesn't require. Okay. Let's listen this carefully. Now, if you can go back, now can we see? If you can refresh, you're getting welcome. On click the welcome. Where are you going? You are going to welcome.html page. We can navigate from this page to that page to some other page also we can. And one more thing, sir, from welcome.html, I want to go to content.html, content.html. Then open that welcome.html file. This is the file. In this file, I want to internal linking. This is called internal linking. That is called external link. Facebook, Gmail, Google, external. Internal means what? Both are available in the same location. External means what? A file is available in our system, but external means somebody's website link we are linking into. That is called external linking. This is called internal linking. So here we want to write content. So this content is going to be the file with the name called content1.html is a file. Now, if you can go and refresh it, now you see, now you click the content, now you are going to that, click the welcome, you are going to this. This is called navigating between the pages, navigation between the web pages. How to jump from one page to another page. Contact, if you can click, go to contact page. From there, if you can click home, I want to come to home page. This is all played and done by using anchor tag only. This is all done and played by using anchor tag. Anything you want to make clickable in the website, use anchor tag. Whatever you want, heading you want to make clickable, or para you want to make clickable, anything you want to make clickable, you always go and write the anchor tag. Okay, one more attribute is available for the anchor tag. That attribute name is going to be target. What is the attribute called? Target. So by default, 1 minute please. Before writing this target, let me show you. Go to this web page. This is our URL. If I can click this Facebook, Facebook is loading in the same page. It is overriding our content now. See what I'm telling you. If we can click this is our page. If I can click this, what happening? Facebook is overriding all this is all our content. If I click this, your content gone. In place of your content, Facebook is coming. That is called what? It is overriding our content, and in place of our content, Facebook is loading because we clicked it. Sir, I don't want to make it override my content. On click the link. Let me open the Facebook into a separate window, a new window, not in the same window. So Facebook is loading in the same window. Google is also loading in the same window. No, sir, I don't want to load them into the same window. On click the Facebook, open a new window. On click the Google, open it because they're external. Na? Why not, Andy? If you can go to Amazon, you can click any one of the product. For example, I'm clicking on this product. Not here, I believe somewhere I seen. It is opening a new window actually. Can I search for it? Adjustable curtain rods. Right. I'm going to see, this is the page right now you are here. I'm going to click on some product. I'm clicking on this. See, this is opening a new window now. This is the actual page. If I can click this, what is happening? They're opening them into a new window. They're not loading them into the same window. Why? Because user can watch multiple products. If they are loading the same window, they will buy that product only. That's why they will always open them into the new window. See, any link you can click here, that is always opening in a new window. Right. So same way, I want to do this also. See how we will use in real time. You should know this. This is what real time exactly. So in real time, customers will always ask you like this. I don't want to open the link in the same window. I want to open the link in a separate window. Then you should know the attribute. How to link external website? href. How to open that link into a separate window? Interview question, they will ask you like this. I want to open a link into a new window. What do you do for it? What is anchor tag? They will never ask you the question in interview. What is anchor tag? They will never ask you. What they see, I need this. What is the tag for it? What is the attribute for it? This way they will ask the questions also. Be careful, right? So next one is going to be here we have an attribute called target. Equal to target is going to be underscore self funding. Underscore self means same window. Self means what? Self window name. No change. By default value also self a. You see this target is equal to, you can write underscore self self. Now you go and check this now. Do you have any difference? Remember, attributes also should be in double quote or single quote. Don't forget this. Every attribute, this is a key and this is a value. The value of an attribute may be in single quote or double quote, but don't write without single quotes. If you are not using single quote, this may not work. A single quote or double quote, anyone you have to take it. Every attribute value should be either in single quote or double quote. Now you see, now I'm going there. This is loading in the same window now. Loading in the same window. No. I don't want to open the same window. I want to open a separate window means underscore blank. You have to write blank. Blank window. In the blank window, Facebook will be loaded. Underscore blank. Now you go and check the same thing. If you can refresh the page, click this. Facebook open a separate window now. Google is opening a separate window. They are not. This is not overridden. Earlier, what happening in the same page, content is getting overridden. So how can we open a link into a separate window, into a new window? Interview question. So write this also. How can we open?
And what is the difference between tab and window, sir?
Sorry?
Tab.
Tab
TAB.
is browser tab. This is the tab, new tab.
But you are telling window, that's why I'm confusing.
Both are same. Generally in browser, we will call it as this is a new tab. Programmatically, we will call window.
Okay. And the interview questions, so what I want to tell you, window or tab?
Anyone you can say.
Okay.
No problem. See here, generally in JavaScript, browser is called as a window. In our real life, we will call it as a tab, new tab. This is our real life. But programmatically, you have to say window name. But better to say window in interviews if they ask you. Because it's a programming, na? But in our real life, every day we will call this as a new tab. Open new tab, we will say, na? But in programmatically, open new window. Programmatically, window. In JavaScript, window is there is a predefined object in JavaScript. The name is window object. Window object will always talk with the browser. How to open a new tab. But that is our generally we will speak regularly. In our language, tab. Programmatically, we will say window. But interview questions, if you want to say, go with the window only. Right? How to open the link in a new window. Real life in our general speaking, how can you open a link in a new tab? Whatever it is. Okay? Right. Don't worry. Don't get confused. Right. How to open a link in a new window. This is, I want to say window only, but interview questions also use a window. But for your understanding purpose, you write tab also. No problem. Browser tab. Right. So by adding target attribute. By adding target equal to underscore blank. Write this answer. Write this also after that attribute. Right. So this is going to be target target equal to, you write simply underscore blank. Underscore self means same window. By default, what is the default value of the target? Self only. Write this also. The default value of target attribute is underscore self. Self means which will loads the link in same window. Which will loads the link in same window. You say like this. Same window or same tab. But programmatically, you will say always window name. But in our real life, regularly, when you are speaking, you will call it as a browser tab, browser, open a new tab, open a new window. Some people will call window also, right? Open new window, right? Open new tab. Whatever it is, meaning is same. No need to get confused. Write it. Now, next step. Side heading, navigational menus. Navigational menus. How to create menu? Ultimate concept is what? Generally, this is also called nav bar. Some people will call this as a nav bars. Some people will call this as a navigational menus. Some people will simply call menu, only menu. Whatever it may be, website menu. In the website, hotel menu. What is hotel menu? That is a different story. Right? What is a menu in the website? Always menu. Where is the menu, Andy? Menu is always going to be on the top of the web page, no? So this is what called menu. By using this menu, what we can do? We can navigate between the web pages. How can I link the menu items by using anchor tag? Okay. So wait for a second. Let me show you a small examples on the menu item. Side heading, navigational menus. Write this. Write the answer by using UL tag, UL and OL tags. We can say anyone, okay? Or by mostly UL tag, and by using UL tag, we can create navigational menus. We can write the point like this. 99% people will use UL tag, not OL tag, because OL tag will come with order. UL tag, dots, and square, circle. We can, if you don't want, we can write none attribute. If you can write none attribute, they will be gone. Right? So that's why UL tag is the best option. Okay, right. So, right, let us go there and how to create the menu. This is going to be UL tag open, UL tag close. Inside the UL, what you are having, list items, list item. List item is going to be, wait, don't write it. Don't write it, just watch it. Home. First menu item, home. Next menu item, next menu item. Like this, we can have a lot of menu items. 1 minute, please. Yeah. So menu item 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Like this, we can have a lot of menu items. This menu item name is about. This is going to be contact. This is going to be some services. Generally, we will see these items, carriers. And what is the next one? Futures. FEATURES. FUTURES. FEATURES, futures. That is future. This is future. Future of a product. Right. So what is the other one? Login and register. I want to take like this, login and register. REGIST, register. This is the way of creating menu item. Wait, don't write it. Now, okay, let me quickly create one HTML file also. Right. Doc type HTML. HTML open, HTML close. This is going to be head tag open, head tag close. Right. Write some title. Save the file always first. Okay, let me save the file. Menu.html is my file. Take any name, not only menu. Navbar.html, main menu.html, whatever you want, you can take. The file name is our choice completely. Right, title HTML menu. Right, menu. Menus are created by using HTML. Body open, body close. Inside the body, just now you written one UL tag, na? So 1 minute, please. Go to this. and copy this UL. Let me paste the UL inside of it. Okay, right, that's all. Wait for a second. This is my UL indentation. Select all this, press one tab. It will be indented neatly. What do you have to do? Select all these things, press one tab, shift tab, shift tab. No, you can write like this, press tab, indented neatly. Indentation is also very important. Anybody want to go with experience? Some people want to go with some fake experience, right? By seeing your code, they will understand, are you a fresher, are you a fake? I think they will follow, generally, if you're an experienced candidate, you will always follow coding standards. First thing is coding. By seeing your code, what is the way of you writing the code? With, see, some people will write this code like this, something. No gaps, nothing. Everything they are writing in one line. This is, if I am able to see this code, are you 3 years experienced guy? If you are really 3 years experienced guy, will you write the code like this? No, this is not the standard. See, that's why I'm telling you, always, it's a good practice. Write HTML open, HTML close, come into the middle. That's why I'm asking you to write the code step by step, not line by line. So come here, press one tab and write the head section. Write head section, immediately close the head section. Now come to the middle, hit enter, press one tab again, write the title section. Sometimes, okay, if you don't know how to write all this, sir, I'm not good in indentations. Okay, you written the code like this, good. If you don't know how to format it, do one thing, copy the code. Okay, go to online, HTML code formatter, HTML code formatter. Select any one of the website. Whatever the code you written ugly, the code you can paste here, and you can write format the HTML. The code is formatted. Copy this code and paste the code here. The code is formatted. If you are, see, I'm telling you one more time. If you are writing the code and if you're coming to me, I don't want to see your code. I will say first thing, go and indent the code properly. You have to learn all these standards from the scratch onwards, right? So from starting onwards, you have to practice all these are the standards. First, follow the standards, learn the HTML later. What's the first standard? Every tag should open, every tag should close properly. You have to maintain indentations, code indentations. One tab space is required. You have to follow that, right? So otherwise, you see, there is one more option, 3 tab spaces. Some people will follow 4 tab spaces. Some people will follow tab delimited. Now you see, format HTML means based on that, the code is going to be formatted. Copy the same HTML and now you can paste here. This is earlier I written the code. I written like this the code earlier. I don't see, if your code is like this, I don't want to see your system also. I don't want to see your code also. You see, this is the thing, only thing, you know that software engineer you are. So to do this, you have to first, I will ask you to follow the rules and regulations. How good you learn HTML? Secondary. Don't bother about it. Especially the people who want to go with some experience, you are the person strictly needs to follow these rules and regulations. Coding standards, every tag should open, every tag should close. Otherwise, only we will see in many of the interviews, some people will come with experience. We will give system tasks, they will write the code. By seeing the code, we will understand. Are you a fresher, are you a genuine candidate, are you something? All right. So that's why I'm telling you. There are a lot of easy techniques that they will identify you very easily. Are you a fresher or are you a experienced candidate? So those things we have to follow here itself. Okay. Then, so now, okay, let's run this file. Now I'm going to the file. Let's go and write in the default viewer. This is the menu. This is the menu. Is this menu is clickable? Huh? It's not clickable. It's a plain things. Na? Then every item, what it is called, every list item should be wrapped into anchor tag again, because anchor tag is only clickable thing. Na? So what we will do generally, this is the thing. You can write like this. AHREF is equal to, you just wrap this into anchor tag, properly close this. Okay, right. First thing is completed. Next thing is going to be what here? AHREF. Otherwise, you write from scratch, no problem. So just I'm telling you, but every link should be, okay, 1 minute, sorry. LI open, LI close. Every list item should be wrapped here like this. AHREF is equal to tag open, tag close. Here you write the whole. Now you go and check this now. This link is clickable. This link is clickable. This link is clickable. But you can write this is going to be some index.html. Actually, we didn't create the file. But if you want to provide the navigation links also, you can provide the navigation link. But right now, just make it empty, no problem. Can I need target equal to blank or self? No need. Why? Because internal pages, we will load in the same page only. We don't want to open them into separate window, doesn't require it. So this is the first li item. What is the next li item like this? Copy the same thing, paste here. You cannot copy paste it. I will do it. But you are not a person to copy paste. You have to write each and every menu item your own. Because of doing this, coding skill will improve. Initially, we are freshers. We may not write the code like a fast way. So you have to write each and every line. So I copy pasted, same thing you want to copy paste it. No, I don't want to allow you. Don't copy paste it, write everything. It will take some time, no problem. Coding skill will improve. If you're typing everything, you will remember the syntaxes also properly. That's why I'm not using VS Code editor. If I use VS Code editor, if I open the tag, immediately that will close the tag automatically. What do you know in that? Right, I don't want. So initial learning, we will do this way. About contact some services, careers. This is going to be login or whatever it may be. Yeah, I'm done. Now, if you can go and check this now, this is a menu. But I have one big question. This is a menu. This is also menu. This menu is also created by using ULLI. ULLI inside Anchor. You want me to show you? Let me show you. Right click on it and right click and inspect. Now you see what is this going to be? LI. Inside LI, we have Anchor. Now, if you can go on top, we provided some link also. We provided some link also, but we didn't provide the link there. You see what it is going to be? UL. Inside UL, you have LI, first LI, second LI, third LI, fourth LI. Like this, I did this here also. But one big question for me, sir, here all the menu items are neatly displayed, horizontally displayed. There is no dots here. But in my menu, they're all coming vertically, underline is coming, dot is coming. But in that website, menu is horizontally, no dots, no underlines, red color, whatever the color you want. That is very beautiful. That is also menu. This is also menu. Remember, what you can do by using HTML, we can create the structure only. Can we design the structure by using HTML? No way. How can we design the structure? CSS. If we can apply the CSS on this structure, then this will be created as a menu. We can do up to here only. Right? This is the menu, raw menu. So this menu we have to design with the help of CSS. Then only menu will become horizontally. And the thing, while designing, how can we bring all these items side by side? Okay, my question, how to remove the dots? How to remove the underline? See, in the website, how the menu is there? Do you have underline? Do we have any dots? Or they are vertical? No, they're all horizontal. But in my menu, how they are coming? Now this is going to be horizontal or vertical. All are vertical. Dots are coming. Underlines are coming. Color is by default blue color. Anchor tag default color is blue color. I don't want this color. I want to make my website color pink. I want to use the pink color. How do we do all these things? With the help of CSS. Sometimes in services, I need submenu. Do you know submenu? Main menu submenu. If you can go to some website where we will see the drop down menu, services, online services, offline services, classroom services. How can I write the submenu? This is very important. Watch it carefully. This is the way of creating menu. So where you need submenu? Under services, under careers, under services. Remember carefully, if you want to get a submenu, this is main menu. This is all main menu. Under the main menu, I want to get a submenu. In some websites, you go there, you will see the submenus also. I think one of my friend website is there. Let me show you that website. I don't know, Vega Web Solutions. I think this is a company. But wait for a second. Let me open this website. This is a website. Do we have any? Oh, I think we don't have any submenu. I think recently they revamped this website. Okay, 1 minute, please. So, Teja Live Connects. This website, can we go? Let me check this website. This website, advanced. Proceed to Teja Live Tracks, no problem. Yeah, you see, guys, here courses. What are you have? What is these are called? This is called main menu. This is called main menu. Under the main menu, you are having this is called submenu. Again, if you can mouse over on UI technologies, what is called submenu, 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 main menu, submenu, submenu. Yes, this is the terminology. Main menu, sub menu. Yes, we can do like this also. But you see how the menu designed neatly, horizontally designed, sub menu designed vertically, and the sub menu also designed vertically. But main menu designed horizontally. All this done with the help of CSS, not by using HTML. But let me tell you the structure for creating the sub menu. First of all, come to this. I need services. Under these services, I want to add 3 services: online services, offline services, corporate services. How do that is also menu na? What if the main menu na sub menu? That is menu. So menu means, again, watch it carefully. Come after this anchor tag. In this, we want to add a sub menu. Listen this carefully. Many of the people will do the mistake here. Watch it. Observation is very important. So come to the anchor tag below. Inside li, first anchor tag is there. After the anchor tag, not in, some people will write inside the anchor tag, not inside the anchor tag. After the anchor tag, again you can write ul tag open, ul tag close. That is also a menu. In the ul, again you are writing li item open, li item close, and this is going to be a clickable link item. Ahref is equal to, right? So this is going to be online services, right? Menu item 1 is completed. Next one is going to be menu item 2, menu item 3. This is going to be classroom services, some CO, PO, RAT, something I'm writing like corporate services, something. So now how the output will be, if we can go and check this now, you see under services, sub items, main item, under the main item, sub items. Sometimes when you're writing notebook also, we have main point, first point. Under the first point, we have some sub points. Second point. Under the second point, we have some sub points. Like this, same thing you want to write in futures. For example, you see, you want to take some futures also. For example, this like now I'm coming to take this is going to be futures. Under this futures also, I want to get something submenu. Then again come here. Now again you are going to write ULLI here. See, a website may contain multiple submenus. We don't know. So in this website also, can you see we have submenu here and we have submenu here also. Yes, sir. We have submenu here. We have submenu here. 2 places. Like this, we can create n number of submenus also. Like this, we can create n number of submenus also. Now, if we can save the file, this is a way of creating the menu. This is called main menu. This is called submenu. But they're all coming vertical. Actually, menu means everybody know. Menu will always look like horizontal. Why this is coming like this? And because this is HTML. What HTML knows? HTML knows the structure, not the designing. By using HTML, we can create the structure. How can we design the structure? Later in CSS, we will see this. Okay, write this. If you want to write this, don't need to write all the menu items. Just write 2-3 menu items and leave it. Okay, na? Right? I don't want to write all these menu items. Do you want to write it or you understand? I think no need to write that. You want to write or no need to write? No need to write, kada? I love no need to write. See, you know the process now. Why are you writing then? Remember, that's why I'm telling you, you have to remember the code step by step. If you are writing, what do you do after going home? Open the laptop, open the notebook also. What is the first line? Doc type. You're writing first line doc type. This is the biggest problem with you. If you are not doing, write it. If you are practicing line by line, don't follow your notebook. Write it quickly. Take 2 minutes time you have. Whatever you want, you can write 2 minutes only. Write it fast. Classroom people, online people also, if you want, you can write it quickly. Always remember, while learning HTML, I need this, I need that. What is the tag for it? 2 things, remember in your learning HTML, learning CSS also. I want to teach you always this way until our course is completed. నాకు ఇలా కావాలి, నాకు అలా కావాలి, దానికి ఏం చేయాలి? Understand Telugu? No, right? Little. Yeah, same thing. Okay. A chahiye, wo chahiye. So, okay. Maybe in online also, some of the people are who knows Hindi. In the classroom also, some people are there. But no need to worry. So I think you are understanding my feelings, right? What I am saying is Telugu, Hindi, Tamil, whatever it may be, you have to understand the concept, right? I need this, I need that. What to do for that? What is the tag for that? Right? Always think like this. You will get the subject very clearly without forget. You will never forget it if you learn like this, I'm sure. After 10 days also, if I can ask you, you will remember it. Why? Because you are learning practically, not theoretically. But if we can read theory, how much theory can we remember? It's not possible. Slowly habituate of doing something, self-learning, practical learning, understanding something called practically. I'm very happy. Yesterday, I forgot the scenario. You sent that scenario, right? Imran. Imran sent that scenario that a UL list start with characters. So I got the clarity by seeing that. Sometimes I will also forget on the fly. I may not remember that, right?
నాకైతే చిన్న సజెషన్ సార్.
Carry on, sir.
ఇప్పుడు మీరు ఏదైతే సేవ్ చేస్తున్నారు ఫైల్స్,
Hmm.
అంటే ఒకసారి ఏమవుతుందంటే కొన్ని క్యాపిటల్ లెటర్స్ కొన్ని స్మాల్ లెటర్స్ ఉంటాయి కదా,
Hmm.
సో అవి కొంచెం మిస్ అవుతున్నాయి. అంటే సేవ్ చేసి పెడితే బెటర్ కదా, ఎందుకంటే మేము రాసుకునేటప్పుడు కూడా
Hmm.
ఒక్కోసారి గబగబా స్మాల్ లెటర్స్ రాసేస్తుంటే అది ఏంటంటే ఎర్రర్స్ వస్తున్నాయి.
Sure, and
మళ్ళా
every file is saving, every file is uploading in Google Drive also. Yesterday, I uploaded all the class files and the notes files, everything I uploaded in the drive.
నాకు
I think
వీడియోస్ వచ్చినాయి కానీ నోట్ ఫైల్ వచ్చింది, క్లాస్ ఫైల్స్ ఏం రాలేదు సార్. ఒకసారి
no,
చూద్దాము.
I think everything you got it. Otherwise, you sent the mail ID one more time. I will check it. I think 1 minute, please. I will verify on the fly. Give me 1 second. I think I given all the files and access also. You check this. 1 minute, please. 1 minute. I will verify. Go to this. I think MERN full stack. In this MERN August, all the files and HTML files folders all are uploaded. Yeah, this is HTML. These are
HTML.
demos. If you can go to HTML folder, we have HTML file, yesterday's file. This is a notes file. In this file, you will see the videos. Check it
Okay.
carefully.
Yeah, I am telling not like that, sir.
Okay.
Whatever you have saved the MERN folder in C
Okay.
drive, please give the caches also.
Okay.
HTML files what you are telling and saving, తెలుగు వచ్చు కదా సార్ మీకు. ఇప్పుడు మీరు మెయిన్ ఫైల్స్ సేవ్ చేస్తున్నారు అంటే అవి కూడా పెట్టిందంటే ఆ ఎల్ఐ ఎక్కడ అవ్వాలి అంటే ఒకసారి రాసుకునేటప్పుడు నోట్స్ లో మేము మిస్టేక్ అవుతాం కదా, సో అది కొంచెం మాకు డౌట్స్ వచ్చింది అనమాట.
No, Andy, one thing I want to say, I don't want to encourage you to write the notebook. You have to write the running notes only. You have to practice that only. That is my way. If I can give you everything theoretically, you will become always theoretically good, not practically good. If you have any doubt, you have to learn yourself by going to Google. This is our way we will go.
డైరెక్ట్ ఆఫ్లైన్ సార్.
No. This is not the way of learning. I will never follow such a way. Okay. I want to go this way. You have any doubts, you ask me on the fly. I can help you. But I don't want to encourage you to read something theory. No, I don't like this theory. Okay. But
Okay.
this doesn't help you. You have any question, you please let me know. I can help you in the classroom about the thing. Sir, can I write this LI tag in capital letter? Some people will write this in capital letter. Is it okay, sir, if I write in capital letter? Did anybody try it like this? You see, LI capital, here L capital, I capital. Is it okay now? Can I write in capital letters? But yes, you can write in uppercase, you can write lowercase also. But that is not the standard. You have to follow always lowercase only. That is the standard. HTML is the programming language. It doesn't show any errors. You see, AHR, A capital I'm taking. Inside HREF also I'm taking HREF. It will work. See, anchor tag open in capital letter, anchor tag is opening in close small letter. Is it valid? Ante HTML is valid. HTML will work. But you see, in the output also, we don't have any problem. Without any problem, all the things are going to be coming. We don't have any problem. Everything will be work. Even if we can take lowercase and uppercase, you see, this is the LI I take in corporate services now. You are getting the corporate services now. But in the output, you see how browser will treat it. Right click on inspect, watch the console. Here you see, you taken these corporate services in capital LI close, anchor tag capital, but you see what browser is considering. Even though you are writing in capital letters, browser is converting them into lowercase letters only. Who will do this job? Every browser has an inbuilt software called interpreter. That interpreter will take care. Okay, but you're writing in capital letters. See, this corporate services, observe this, especially this element. You're writing the corporate services in all in capital letters, different letters you are using. But one thing, you are properly opening, you are properly closing. But the problem is what? Some uppercase letter, some lowercase letter you are using. Is it valid?
Sir, you did not properly clear, sir. It is the LI is in open tab is in capital, close tag in capital L small I.
Yeah. But one thing, while practicing, you guys are, again, I'm telling you, after the session completed, before the session started, you have any doubts, come with your laptop, sit with me. You have any questions, let me know. Online people also, when you guys are practicing, if you have any doubt, tell me. I will take the control of your system. I will give the access. I can see your system, so I can guide you the same thing. But initially, everybody, while practicing, they have a lot of doubts. We want to clarify those doubts. But after some sessions completed, even though if you got doubt, you may try to clarify yourself. The real time, remember carefully, we should have a capability of solving the errors by ourselves. Don't depend on anybody. Today I'm here to help you, but tomorrow who will be there to help you if you have any error? So my suggestion, if you have any error, anything is not working, let us know. I can help you. But mostly don't depend on anybody. Still, you are trying to solve the error by yourself. You are unable, then let me know. I can help you. First, don't ask anybody. If you are not getting any output, first check the code 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 10 times you check it. Still not getting, let us know. This is the way. So anyhow, my faculty unnadu, faculty chaptadle, don't do like this. Okay, na? Right. See, I'm talking purely real time way. In real time, how you should go, that way I'm speaking, you should go that way. Right. So I'm not a trainer, I'm a developer. I'm working as a developer. I know that what company people are expecting from us. If I'm a trainer, I will teach you everything. I will be very good in theory. I want to be very good in theory. I will give you material also. Read the material for everything. No. Don't. We don't want to encourage you people. Everybody remember this carefully. I don't want to give you any material, any notes. You have to read the running notes only. You have to follow the running notes only. Watch the videos. If you want, you can prepare your own notes also. 3 months you do it like this. 3 months you do like this. I'm sure you no need to take anybody's help. You will get your job by yourself. I'm sure. But this will create a lot of confidence, and if you're depending on anything on anybody, this you will never get the confidence. Don't do like this, right? I want to tell you the pure way of learning. For example, in a company, if you join in a company, they will never give you any theory. There is no theory. Your manager will call you. He will say, what is that say? I think early morning I created small scenario. I think I closed it, I believe. He will say like this, create a form with FIELS fields. What are the fields? I have to take the form: name, email, mobile, password, confirm password. With this, you have to create a form and submit button. That's all. What your customer is saying, what your manager is saying, that you have to create a form like this. You have to start creating it. For creating the name field, what is the text box you have to, what is that input field you have to use, that you have to know. No one will tell you. This is what real time. This way they will give the task. Any company, anywhere you go, they will explain the task. I need like this. Write the code for it. This way we have to learn. Now we don't want to encourage you theory again and again. Again, I'm telling you, before paying the fee, please remember, I'm not theory. I will go practically. So any notes you want, write it. Watch my videos. From the video, you can prepare the notebook. That's all. I don't want to encourage you to give the materials. If I give material, what is happen? What is the problem? That is Bible, that is Bhagavad Gita, that is Quran. Everything is that we will follow always the notebook only. No, in the real time, if you are following notebook, it doesn't help you. I don't want to encourage you guys. Okay, right. Write the running notes. Any doubts you have, let me know. I can help you, definitely. This way, if we can learn, you will remember the subject forever. If you learn any theory, if you're reading theory, you will never remember anything. After 10 days, you will forget everything. So don't do this way. I want to go this way only. This is my way. From last 12 years onwards, I didn't provide any notes except Naresh IT, because Naresh IT law, when I working in Naresh Institute, there we have to must and surely provide the theory. Why? Because they will follow their standards. But myself, if I'm giving any training, I know that if you can read theory, you will never get success. But we want to be very good in practically, not theoretically. But all of you are requested in online also. Please follow this, online and classroom, both. Follow this. Definitely you can do it. Definitely you can achieve it. Don't worry and don't get confused. Okay, right. So I hope you're done now. Right. I think you are creating a menu. Are you writing a completed? No, what I will do, I will write these items. I will write the output in my notebook. To get this output, what is the code I have to write? I will check this way. The way of learning should be different. Remember carefully. Don't be don't be like a regular students. Be like a professional. Copy this output and try to write the code for it. This is our agenda. Always in the real time, they will show you the output. For the output, they will ask you to write the code. Keep it in mind. I need this. What is the code for it? How do I get this list item? How do I get the sub items? This way, how to think it. Okay, initially we are learners, right? Don't bother about it. All we will cover and include it. Okay. So, but this is a way of doing it. Are you done? Right. Okay. Let us stop the session for the day. Tell me one thing. I don't know how many of you have the systems or not. Are you practicing or not? I don't know. But it's a very important thing. Please arrange the system. Please try to practice from day one itself. First thing. While practicing, I know I can understand who is practicing, who is not practicing. Who can by seeing you, I can understand. From 12 years onwards, I seen a lot of people, so I can understand. You are asking it out with practice or without practice also, I can understand. But remember, if you can practice, the thing is different. Without practice, first the problem is what, arrange the system. Please arrange a system. Daily, I'm telling you, 2 hours for attending the session, 4 hours to practice it. Watch some YouTube videos also. What videos? What movie? What serial? Not serials, not movies, not jokes. Watch some subject related videos. Somebody, I will teach you one way, same thing, same concept, somebody will teach in some other way. Otherwise, I'm teaching in English. You watch in Telugu video, you watch in Hindi video, you will get some more subject. Self-learning is also very, very important, Andy. I'm telling you again and again. Self-learning is also very important. Watch some other. But mostly in YouTube, we will get the content. We will never get the practical knowledge. We will teach you the practical knowledge. If you want to get some theory and theoretically good, go somewhere and find some kind of videos and watch the theoretical videos also. But you don't need to go anywhere. Our session is enough. Anyhow, we are recording the video. Watch the recorded video and prepare the theory also, what you understand. Write a notebook, watch the video. But 1 hour you have to sit patiently. But do you have time to sit 1 hour with the video? Movie, 3 hours. We can sit without go anywhere, right? This will be like this. Okay, such an interest we need here. Right, Chilo. Please carry on if you have any questions. But definitely, classroom people, online people, if you can provide any suggestions, anything, I will take it and we will implement the same thing. So somebody, right now, one person said, I need this way, I need that. Definitely, we will implement it. But if it is possible, I will tell you this is possible. Otherwise, this is not possible. It means I don't want to say this is not the way. But we want to follow this way. This is our way of training. Again, I'm telling you. Okay, right.